Hello students, good morning all of you. I hope you all are fine. I Neeraj Khare, the science teacher of class 7. So dear student, we start chapter 6, revision notes on physical and chemical change. Revision notes on physical and chemical changes. First one, start the physical changes. Physical properties of the substance are those the characteristic of substance that describe its the physical nature. Physical properties of the substance are those the characteristic of the substance that describe its physical nature. For example, color, density, shape, size, and volume are some physical properties. Physical change is the change which occur when there is an alternation in the physical properties of substance. Physical changes Physical changes is a change which occur when there is an alternation in the physical properties of a substance. The physical changes does not result in the formation of any new substance but can alter the shape and size of the existing substance. The physical changes does not result in the formation of any new substance but can alter the shape and size of the existing substance. So gold is shiny. Here is metal is sonorous. Feel rubber vents touch the ceramic pot in hard. Smell acid smells sure. Measure the temperature in high. Physical changes: crushing a can, melting an ice cube, boiling water, mixing sand with water, dissolving sugar in water, shredding the paper, chopping wood, mixing green and red marbles, simulations dry ice. Chemical changes. Chemical changes: the chemical properties of the substance are those the characteristic of substance that describe its chemical nature. The chemical properties of the substance are those the characteristic of the substance that describe its chemical nature. For example, toxicities of the substance or how a substance react with other substance, it is the chemical property. A chemical change or the chemical reaction is any changes in the chemical properties of the substance. For example, toxicities of a substance or how a substance react with other substance, it is chemical property. A chemical changes or the chemical reaction is any changes in the chemical property of substance. Whenever a substance undergoes a chemical change, a new substance is formed. Example of chemical changes: rusting of iron occur when the iron gets in the contact with moisturize. Whenever a substance undergoes a chemical changes, a new substance is formed. Examples of the chemical changes: rusting of iron occur when iron gets in contact with moisturize. Examples of chemical changes: the rusting of iron occur when iron gets in the contact with moisturize. When a magnesium ribbon is burned in the radiate white light and convert into the ashes. Formation of medicine: extracting of iron from of the iron are formation of plastic. Toxicities, oxidation states, heat of combustion, chemical stability, flammabilities, conjunctions of number, reactivity, possible chemical bonds, FL of the formation. So, chemical changes is always accompanied by any one or all of the following ways: radiation or the absorption of heat, Production of sound, changes in the color of the substance. So dear students, the chemical changes is the always accompanied by the any one or all of the following ways: radiation or the absorption of heat, production of sound, change in the color of the substance, change in properties. Example: radiation or observation of heat, burning of substance such as the cool wood or candles results in production of heat and the hence is the chemical change. Similarly, melting of ice resulting in the absorption of heat and therefore it is a chemical change. Production of sound, bursting of the firework is the chemical change. It result in the production of sound. Changes in the color of the substance, so radiations as well as goes the raw fruits and the vegetables when cut and the left is the open ear start occur in the brown color due to the chemical change. Similarly, rusting of iron result in change of color of iron or red is the brown in also chemical change. Chemical changes: iron rusting, burning of wood, metabolism, cooking an egg, baking cake, electroplasting, rotting or rotting banana, vinegar and baking soda, mixture, firework, chemical battery. Rusting of iron: when the iron come in the contact with the oxygen and water. Rusting of iron: when the iron comes in the contact with the oxygen and water, react and form of the red colored substance over it is called rust. Substance over it is called rust. So dear student, rusting of iron: when the iron comes into the contact with oxygen and water, react and form a red colored substance over it is called rust. Rust: iron plus oxygen and water, so completely rust to FeO3H2O. The left side of iron, oxygen and water, and right side of the product the rust. Left side present a reactant Fe plus oxygen plus water is a FeO2 and 2H2O is called as a reactant, and right side is a product. Crystallization: it is the process of the obtaining crystals of a pure substance forms the solution. For the example, we can obtain the crystals of copper sulfate by the boiling copper sulfate solution. This is called as a crystallization. It is a process of obtaining crystals of a pure substance forms the solution. For example, we can obtain the crystals of the copper sulfate by boiling copper sulfate solution. This is a process of crystallization. China dish, copper sulfate solution, boiling water, wire gauge, Werner and tripod stain. And China dish, copper sulfate is crystals and tripod stains. So dear student, today's revision note for the chapter 6 chemical and physical change is complete. I send you the homework, so complete your work and send me. Thank you.